Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Yoba Lauren, and today I'm going to be showing you a very quick and easy way to really improve the way your microphone sounds. If you have a USB microphone like me, this can be very helpful, and it can help to significantly improve the way your microphone sounds. Now, this is super easy to set up, and I'm going to be showing you only the very basics of it. And if you want to go more in depth, feel free to do that. I'm just here to let you know about the program and how easy it is to use. Everything mentioned in this video is going to be completely free, and I'm going to put it down in the description below. So any links that I mentioned during this video are going to be down there. So we're going to start by heading over to the first website right here, vbaudio.com/voicemeeter, or you can hit the link down in the description below, and it's going to bring you over to this webpage here. You're going to want to scroll down until you see this and click install. Now, I've already installed it, so there's no point in me doing that, but once it's finished downloading, you just click on the exe file and run through the setup process. After you've installed that program and ran through the setup process, you're going to want to go to this link right here, vb-audio.com/cable, and this is basically the driver that you need in order to connect your Voicemeeter program and basically enable it as your microphone. Even though it's not technically a physical microphone, the programs that you're going to be using it in are going to detect it as a recording audio device. And you're going to click download. Now, once you've installed that and extracted the zip file folder, unfortunately, you are going to have to reboot your PC in order for these settings to take effect. Now, I'm not going to install those drivers simply because if I do extract them and reboot my PC, it's going to mess up my previous drivers that I have already installed, so I'm not going to do that. Trust me, it's already happened multiple times, so I'd rather just explain it like this. Now, once you've got everything downloaded and you've rebooted your PC, you can open up the actual Voicemeeter application itself right here. So the first thing you're going to see is that I actually have some of my own settings on at the moment. All I have is an extra decibels added, which you can do in multiple other applications. This is not what I actually use it for. What I like most about this application is actually this little panel right here. So basically what this does, it adds different effects to the way your microphone sound. For example, if I bring it over here, you can hear my microphone audio has changed significantly. If I bring it over here, it's going to be different as well. All of these are different brightness settings. And then if I bring it down here, you can see it adds a little bit of extra bass, a little bit of extra color. It sounds much nicer. Now, around in the middle is where yours will probably be. And yes, this is what my microphone actually sounds without any settings whatsoever, except this little gain it knob. So let's just bring that back down here. I would recommend this lower left quadrant if you want to add a little bit of extra bass. If you want to reduce the bass, you can move it wherever you like. But before you do any of these settings, the most important thing is that you click on this thing right here and select your microphone. Now, my microphone is this right here, Microphone 3 Rode Podcaster, and it is detecting audio. You can see from this little bar right here. Now, for now, don't change anything. Just leave everything as is. And you're gonna head over here. Now it says hardware out, and you might think that this is my headphone, so I can hear what I'm saying. But we're gonna be using it for something different. Now you can see out of this list, I have a lot of different audio devices on my computer. But the thing you want is the VB audio point. Now what this is the driver we actually installed just before. Now, as I explained before, it's basically a virtual cable, so you can connect your microphone through Voicemeeter to your other applications. So once you've done that, you can start playing around with the settings. Another thing to mention is that you should leave these alone because we're not using hardware out to listen to ourselves. So even though you might think this is just muting your headphones, for us it will be muting our mic because we're using the hardware out as a virtual connector or cable. So now let's head over to a program like Discord. As you can see here in the list of your microphones, you're not going to be choosing your default microphone, which in my case is, as I said before, Microphone 3 Rode Podcaster, but you're going to choose Cable Output VB Audio Virtual Cable, or whatever it's called for you. It might be a little bit different. So a simple way to explain this is that you're plugging it into Voicemeeter and connecting it to your program, in this case, Discord. So just remember to choose cable output when when choosing your microphone in programs like Discord. And as you can see, when I speak, it's detecting my voice. Another thing to mention to end off this video is that if you want your effects and your programs to be detecting your voice, recording your voice, whatever you're doing, you have to have the program running. Now, what I recommend doing actually is if you're going to be using this program, I really do recommend clicking this menu button and selecting System Tray Run at Startup. So what this is going to be basically do is every time you turn on your computer, Voicemeeter is going to turn on. Now this is really handy for people who use this program because then you won't have to worry about turning on Voicemeter every time you stream, record a YouTube video, talk to your friends on Discord, all that stuff that you're going to be using your microphone for. If you don't want that, that's totally up to you. You don't have to select that. The default setting is not selected, but I would highly recommend using that setting if you will be using Voicemeter. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for checking out this YouTube video today. I hope it helped you out. As I said before, I only went over the very, very, very basics of this program. If you want to go more in depth, let me know, because I do know a little bit about Voicemeter, so if you want to know some stuff, you can hit me up on my Discord server or post it in the comment section below. So this was how to improve your audio quality of your USB mic in 3 simple steps: downloading Voicemeter, downloading the driver, and setting everything up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.